AI vision that you can use right now that can not only save you money, but also I'll give you a use case that you can download the code, use it, and you can start making money from it. So 30 seconds more and you'll actually understand where I'm going with this, and you can set it up yourself. So to show you how it works, let's do a simple one first. To choose a file and to get a prediction on it. This is something I made of my son earlier. You go predict and you will get your vision model giving you a response within a few seconds. The image features a young boy with a mop of brown hair standing in front of a lush green forest. He is smiling and appears to be enjoying his time in the woods. The boy is positioned in the center of the scene, surrounded by trees and plants. The forest is filled with various leaves, creating a vibrant and lively atmosphere. The boy's presence in the scene adds a sense of adventure and exploration, as he is immersed in the beauty of nature. Okay, so now we're going to do a game. We're going to go random predict. So one of these images, which is just in my assets folder, is going to have a prediction, but I don't know which one it is. The image features a man with a beard and a white shirt, standing in front of a green forest background. He appears to be looking at the camera and his gaze seems to be slightly off-center. So that could be him, me. The man is wearing a tie, which adds a touch of formality to his appearance. The forest in the background is lush and green, creating a natural, serene atmosphere. I'm going to go with this one. Correct. Okay. My neck must look like a tie. Anywho, let's go another random predict. So the score gets tabulated down here in the bottom right hand corner. But as you can see, it does it very quickly. A person is holding a white book titled The Little Book of Deep Learning. So that's this one, I already know that, and it's written on it, so that helps. But as you can see, it can read text. It can read text and it notices the person is holding it with its hand, and it does it extremely fast. Now I'm going to be adding the code for how I did this. Inside the folder that you will install, you're going to find in moondream an app or a file called text model. So we're going to open that up. Inside text model, you're going to want to change change it to a CUDA output. Okay. Now this is shown here. Let me get it up on the screen. This was this, and this is what you'll want to change it to. This is in, and I've saved it, or I'm going to save it right now. Save it at the top folder up there in app.py. Okay? So if you do that, then you'll start running on your GPU instance rather than on a CPU instance, which will change the speed, as this guy says here, from 12 seconds down to 2 seconds or something like that. It's much, much faster. Inside the Git link that I've sent you, there's a README file. For anybody that hasn't got a clue about how to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to do a git clone. Once you've done a git clone, you're going to want to do this line here, which allows you to download the drivers for a GPU, Nvidia GPU cards preferably. Now, just before we continue, if you don't have an Nvidia and you don't care about the actual speed, you just want the predictions, just do the clone and then the install requirements and then run this line of code here. Done. If you do care about GPU and getting it fast, this one, then this one, and then copy in the files that I have put in here, and then you're done. Okay? That's it. So you'll be running python.app.py, and that'll have you up and running, and you're going to go to the static folder, or so to the folder 127.0.0.1 : 5000. Okay?